We're having a 10-day break in the town of Stresa in Italy. It's on the shores of the beautiful Lake Maggiore. Despite the rain and impending thunderstorm, we head out to the town square for dinner, just as the storm begins to intensify. 4 restaurants share the space in the town square, and each has its own awning, with gaps between. Gradually we try to shift our table away from the dripping rain. We peruse the menu before it gets too wet. Yep, my shoes are getting somewhat damp. But anyway, I grab my iPhone and shoot away as we wait for starters. Yeah. Okay, so I just try to smash the glasses. Cheers. Sometime later, main course arrives under brollies. That sweet was awesome.
Still raining.
And still drinking. We're partly here to escape the wet UK weather, though I think it followed us.
Happy holidays.
Yeah. Happy holidays.
Well, that certainly was a fun experience.